guys, V here. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip for wrapping presents seamlessly. You'll need some scissors, something to wrap, some paper cut to size, and some double-sided tape. Right, so paper cut to size means when you pull your paper around the item you're wrapping, that little bit of overhang here needs to be roughly about the width of your double-sided tape to conceal it. And then the other way, it needs to come up about halfway on each side so that when we fold it up there's not too much bulk sitting there creating just an untidy sort of fold. Right, so the tip with wrapping the present so that it has a seamless edge is to simply change from wrapping it in the middle. I don't know why that's the norm. I've always done it that way, and I'm sure most of you guys do it that way. But it's to bring your edge to the edge of your box. Doesn't that make total sense? So yeah, just bring that across and seal it down. Right, so then when you come to the sides, just make sure that you've got the same amount of gap between there and your present as you do on each side, otherwise your folds are going to look different on each end. So you can give that a wee pull down and you can see I need to move it a little bit that way. That looks about right to me. Okay, and then I've got another piece of double-sided tape here. I'm going to push this side down, pinch my edges nice and tight, and then I'm going to place a bit of double-sided tape just here. And then we can fold, just make sure I'm moving my box. There we go. The sides in. Oops. Oh, this is super fiddly doing it through a camera. And I'm just pinching that edge as well, and then I will bring that one up. Right, now this side goes for the same. Bring that down. Bring this one down. And then you'll bring this one here up to join there. Let me pop my tape down. And that's beautiful. And they're roughly even. That one's a little bit higher, this flap. But yeah, not bad for doing it through a camera lens. But yeah, you get the idea. So cut your paper to size, wrap your item with the seal along the edge of one of your boxes, and then the side that has the seal on it, where is it? There. That's the side that you fold down first on the end, and then you hide that overlap with your flaps folding in.